Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your housing application with University of Southern California step by step clearly. To transfer your housing application at the University of Southern California, begin by gathering all necessary information. Visit the USC Housing Portal using a web browser of your choice. Log in with your USC account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Housing Application section. Locate the option for transferring your housing application. Carefully read through the guidelines provided for transferring applications. Click on the Transfer Application link to begin the process. Fill out the required fields in the transfer application form. Make sure to double-check your personal information for accuracy. Select the new housing option you wish to transfer to. Review any additional requirements specific to the new housing option. Provide a valid reason for your transfer request in the designated section. If applicable, upload any necessary documents to support your transfer request. Once you have completed the form, review it thoroughly. After confirming that all details are correct, submit your transfer application. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. Be sure to monitor your email for any updates regarding your transfer request. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the housing office directly. Keep track of deadlines to ensure a smooth transfer process. Planning ahead will help you manage any complications that may arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.